Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Motorola Moto G67. First, go into Settings. Then find Battery Settings. Right here you have Battery Saver, but I won't enable it because it automatically enables some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. And here you have battery usage that you can check, and battery usage per app so you know which apps to use less. Then go into Display. Here enable Dark Theme. Use adaptive brightness or just lower the brightness. Scroll down to Screen Timeout and lower it to around 1 minute. Then scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, like Wi-Fi or mobile data. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.